Don't give me that crap. Pull that racism crap with me.
I don't give a shit.
Ma'am.
No.
You got one last chance. Friend, you got one last chance.
Bye. No, friend. No.
Try,
Stop
friend.
it. Stop
Try.
it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
All we're trying to do is get you a ride or call a friend.
No.
Okay?
On October 1st, 2021, at St. Pete-Clearwater International Airport in Florida, officers responded to reports of an intoxicated woman causing disturbances at the arrivals area.
Ma'am, here's the deal. Here's the deal. You're just yelling at people there, okay? They have no idea who you are. Telling them to fuck off. They have no idea who you are. They're asking me what's wrong with this lady.
said,
You've had too much to drink,
out of
clearly.
here.
You've been here for a long time, evidently, according to the airport people. You have one of two choices. Give us an address or a place where you need to go,
Sure.
a friend that
No.
we can call to pick you up, or I'll put you in a cab, or you're going to go across the street with us. Simple as that. You understand that?
Where's the across the street?
The jail. You have ID on you? Give me your ID.
No.
Give me your ID.
No, friend. No, I don't have to.
I'm not going to give you a choice.
I'm not black. But
What?
I
What
don't
is that
have-
supposed to mean?
I
Don't
don't-
give me
I
that
don't
crap.
have-
Don't give me that crap. Pull that racism
I
crap
don't
with
give
me.
a shit.
Ma'am.
No.
You got one last chance. Friend, you got one last chance.
Bye. No, friend. No.
Try,
Stop
friend.
it. Stop
Try.
it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
All we're trying to do is get you a ride or call a friend.
No.
Okay?
No.
Take this bag
No.
off.
No. No.
Yes?
No.
If all you had to do is give us a person to call.
No.
I don't know what your problem is.
Stop
I don't know
it.
what your deal is. You're yelling
Stop
at people.
it.
Disorderly
I'm not
intoxication.
even.
Disorderly intoxication.
Stop
There goes
it.
my camera.
Yes. Yes.
Disorderly intoxication.
Sure. No.
Okay.
Stop
There's
it.
a bench.
Stop it.
Stop trying to kick me.
Stop it.
Stop trying to kick
Ma'am,
me.
just sit on the ground. Actually, just sit
Sit on the ground.
No,
Just sit
please.
down.
Please, 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 please.
Sit.
Please stop it.
Get it. Whose cruiser's close?
Mine's right there.
Put her in the back of the jail.
Please stop it. Please stop it.
Go. Hold on.
Please stop it.
Click off.
Please stop it. Please stop it.
Gave you every opportunity. See when you drink too much, see what happens?
No. Come on. Listen.
You just would have told me where you needed to go. They wouldn't rent you a car, evidently, because you have too much to drink. But no, you want to do things the hard way. Last thing that we wanted to do. Hop in.
Please, please, please.
Hop in.
Please, please, please.
Hop in. Watch your feet.
Please,
Step up.
please,
Step up on.
please, please,
Step up on that.
Please, please,
There's no more please, ma'am. Get in. Get in. Put your feet up on that. Put your feet up on that. Put your foot up on that. Step.
Alright.
Stand up.
Come on.
Stand up
Help
and put
me,
your foot
help
on
me,
there.
help
I'm
me.
helping you.
I'm just gonna help you.
I'm helping you. Step on there. Put your foot on there. There you go. Step up. Step up. There you go. Watch your foot. Is there ID in there? I'm going to get my car. She's in the car. I'm going to call transport.
So apparently she was supposed to be flying out, and we just
she got
denied her boarding. And she's been here for the ticket count, or the girl at the rental car said she was here wandering around 2 hours prior.
Before that?
Huh? Oh, I haven't been able to do my rounds in here yet. I can get on it.
Thank you.
Yeah, I don't.
Okay.
I'm trying to figure out what flight, but I don't know what flight.
All right, got it.
Yeah. Hey, Morgan, we're gonna put you in a different car, okay? Because I'm going home.
Oh, are you? Okay.
Yeah, we're just gonna switch cars. You're not?
Can I just like?
Yeah, what's up? I'll help you out.
I was just gonna like.
Yeah, I'm gonna help you out. I don't want you to fall. I'll just grab your
I
arm
was
here.
gonna like.
What's up?
I was gonna.
Don't fall. Don't fall. Okay.
No, I was gonna like.
Okay, we're gonna go in this cruiser.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Sure.
We're just swapping. Yep.
Are you guys fucking with me or not?
No, unfortunately.
No. Oh, okay. Oh.
Yep. Just push your right foot onto the step there.
Sure.
You can see it.
Oh.
Pick your right foot up here onto
Alright,
this step.
Let me go
You
up
see it?
a little bit.
I'll hold you up.
Hold on.
Yep. Okay, let's get back out, and I'll show you how to get in.
Oh.
Stand back up. Get down. Put your foot back on the ground. Turn around to the left. I'm sorry, to the right. So your backside's facing the cruiser. Now put one foot up on the step there.
Are you guys
And then you
messing
can.
with me or not?
No, we're not messing with you. We didn't want to do it. Perfect. That's exactly how you do it.
I haven't done anything wrong though.
Okay.
Like,
Is this a sandwich? Lasagna?
Smorgasbord in there.
DVDs?
Energy shots. They're labeled though.
What about loose almonds?
Popcorn. That should be good, right?
I think as long as there's no drugs in it. Which I'm assuming TSA would have found it. Yeah, another thing about I saw a study, they missed 90% of all contraband.
And sometimes they see contraband, they go, you know, it's not a bomb or a gun or whatever.
Well, she hates the police.
I don't know what her.
That was your camera?
Yeah, I don't know what her problem is, other than the fact that she's drunk. She's yelling at those guys, cursing at those guys, and the guy's like, he goes, I smiled at her. He's like, I don't know what her problem is.
nothing.
So are you familiar with the law? You familiar with the laws in Michigan, evidently?
Yeah.
Okay, when you're yelling and cursing at people out in public and other people can hear you, and you're drunk and disorderly, that's a crime here in this state. And we tried everything we could to get you to tell us where you needed to go, or who you need to go with. So I don't know what else to tell you, Margaret. So you were supposed to get on a plane today, and evidently you had too much to drink and they wouldn't let you on. Is that what happened?
What?
Is that what happened? You had too much to drink and they wouldn't let you on the plane today?
No.
That's what I was told. So I don't know. You probably maybe drank a little too much, and just it's taken a while to get out of your system, evidently. And evidently you're a dispatcher. So my partners told me you're a dispatcher. Do you still work as a dispatcher?
No.
You don't?
No.
Okay. Is it because of your drinking?
Yeah. Are you fucking with me right now?
Ma'am, I'm not screwing with you in any way, shape, or form. Okay?
Are you sure?
You're in the back of the car and you're getting ready to go to jail. That's where you're getting ready to go.
I thought my husband was talking to you.
Ma'am, I talked to you for 5 minutes to try to ask you if I could get you a ride, if I could call a friend, if I could get you a cab.
That's what I thought he was.
And you're yelling and screaming at people. People are coming up to us telling us that you're screaming at people. Got cars, don't know what they're saying, that your stuff going on with, they don't know what your deal is. Clearly you've had too much to drink, and yes, you have.
I swear. I just thought this was my husband. But nothing.
I've given you every opportunity to tell me, every single one.
Come on, please. I thought you were like my husband and messing. I swear,
I swear I gave you every opportunity. I gave you more than every opportunity.
Please, I thought that you were like messing with me.
I asked you many times. And you start telling me about you're not black and all this other... Come on.
What?
Oh, you don't remember that?
I'm just kidding me.
Do you have any scars, marks, or tattoos? How long have you been here today? What time was your flight supposed to go out? The flight you were supposed to be on, what time was that supposed to go out? 5 o'clock?
Yeah.
Do you know what time it is now? What time do you think it is? Take a guess. It's midnight. So you've been here since 5 o'clock? You've been here at least 7 hours. At least. That we know of, right? All you had to do was tell us where you needed to go, and we would have got you there safely in a cab, an Uber, whatever. I explained it to you. I explained it to you, Margaret.
I didn't even.
I explained everything to you.
I didn't even like.
Many times. I have many witnesses that saw us trying to help you.
Get a car, right?
Yeah, they wouldn't rent you a car because you were intoxicated. They're not going to rent a car to somebody who's been drinking.
He actually did rent me one.
They rented you a car?
Yeah.
Okay, well, why are you still here 5 hours, 7 hours later? You had a reservation for a car, right? Are you down here to meet family, or down here for friends? I mean, you wouldn't.
This case presents a textbook application of Florida Statute 856.011, disorderly intoxication, and raises important questions about officer discretion. Florida Statute 856.011 requires 3 elements: intoxication, presence in a public place, and either endangering others or causing a public disturbance. The officer's approach demonstrates proper de-escalation technique. He offers 3 alternatives: providing an address, calling a friend, or accepting a cab ride. Legally, officers are not required to offer alternatives when probable cause exists. This demonstrates discretion and community policing values. When the officer requests identification, the subject refuses, stating, "I don't have to." Florida has no general stop and identify statute. However, once probable cause for disorderly intoxication exists, refusing ID eliminates the option of a notice to appear and necessitates physical arrest. The subject then makes a statement, "I'm not black." This appears to suggest police only arrest black individuals. The officer's response is both immediate and professional. "What is that supposed to mean? Don't give me that racism crap with me." His restraint in the face of this inflammatory comment is noteworthy. The arrest is based on conduct, not race. When the subject attempts to leave, officers have legal authority to detain her. Probable cause exists based on witness behavior and airport staff reports. Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989, established that use of force must be judged by objective reasonableness from the officer's perspective at the scene. The force used here is minimal: control holds, escort techniques, and handcuffing. No strikes, no takedowns, no pain compliance. Despite the subject's physical resistance, pulling away, refusing to cooperate, attempting to kick, officers maintain proportional force. The struggle to place the subject in the patrol vehicle demonstrates the challenge of dealing with passive resistance from an intoxicated individual. Officers use repeated verbal commands and physical guidance rather than escalating force. This aligns with use of force continuum best practices. The post-arrest conversation reveals critical context. The subject has been at the airport for 7 hours after being denied boarding due to intoxication. Airport staff reported she had been wandering and causing disturbances for approximately 2 hours before police were called. She was also denied rental car service. Florida law prohibits rental companies from providing vehicles to visibly intoxicated individuals. The subject reveals she's a former dispatcher who lost her job due to drinking. This adds context but does not excuse the criminal conduct. Examining the elements of Florida Statute 856.011. First, intoxication is established through alcohol odor, slurred speech, and irrational behavior. Second, the airport terminal is unquestionably a public place under Florida law, defined as any location accessible to the public. Third, public disturbance is proven through multiple witness complaints, yelling at strangers over 2 hours, and aggressive confrontations. The endangerment prong could also apply. An intoxicated person attempting to rent a vehicle presents a clear public safety risk. The officer's decision to charge only disorderly intoxication, not resisting arrest, demonstrates prosecutorial discretion and restraint. Florida Statute 843.02 covers resisting officer without violence. Despite clear physical resistance, officers chose not to file this charge. This recognizes that the resistance was attributable to intoxication rather than intentional defiance, and was minimal enough not to warrant additional charges. The primary officer receives a grade of B+. Legally, his actions were fully compliant with constitutional requirements and Florida law. He demonstrated exceptional professionalism, maintaining composure despite provocation, and used only minimal force proportionate to resistance encountered. His de-escalation efforts were genuine and sustained, offering multiple alternatives before arrest. This goes beyond legal requirements. Areas for improvement include calling for backup earlier to facilitate safer vehicle placement, and some tactical positioning during the physical altercation. The subject receives a grade of D-. She had multiple clear opportunities to avoid arrest entirely. By simply providing an address or phone number for alternative transportation, criminal charges could have been avoided completely. Her inappropriate statement about race injected a false narrative into a situation where her conduct, not her race, was the issue. The persistent physical resistance required officers to use control techniques that could have been avoided with simple compliance. While intoxication is a mitigating factor, it does not excuse behavior that was entirely within her control to prevent. Key lessons from this case. First, officer discretion and de-escalation can prevent arrests, but only when subjects cooperate with reasonable alternatives. Second, understanding the elements of criminal statutes is crucial. Disorderly intoxication requires more than mere drinking. It requires disturbance or endangerment. Third, use of force must be proportional and reasonable. Minimal control techniques for passive resistance is appropriate. Escalation would not be. Fourth, charging decisions matter. Officers showed restraint by not adding resisting charges, despite legal justification to do so. Finally, false claims of racial bias undermine legitimate civil rights concerns and should be distinguished from actual discriminatory conduct. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.